If you don't subscribe, then there's 1% chance that Zomba Cats will destroy your house with epic dance moves. Wow, it's another episode, and it's a voiceover because, see, I actually did a live recording for this episode. My last episode was Las Vegas, by the way. I lost to it like a few times, and then I bought a rich cat and a treasure radar and smacked it in the face. Anyway, but now it's time for Alaska. Alright. So anyway, with the live recording thing, I thought there was the like 2 stages before floating continent. There was actually like 7, and I was like, that can't be a 30-minute video, and so I decided to. But you see oh yeah, look at this dragon and knights and wall action. Squirrels are dying and give me all the money. Anyway, you see. Oh, what was I gonna say? With the audio is a separate file to the actual recording because there's no other way to do it currently. I think. And anyway, yeah. This means that. If I cut anything else from the original, it'll be incredibly hard to also cut out the same bit from the audio. And so I couldn't really get it, so I just removed all of it. And so I'm just moving all the audio and doing a regular recorded video. Except for one stage where I managed to keep the audio in using Epic Game Editing. But anyway, it's time to actually watch the video and see me beat stages, I guess. If how easy it was to get to the base, there should be something in the base. What? There's not? Oh, okay then. We win. You know, I thought I would go from Alaska to Hawaii and then floating continent. It actually went in the different direction to Canada. And then I was confused, and I thought it would only be Canada, but then actually there was more stages heading the different direction from Hawaii. Anyway, we're invading Canada now. And not much enemy resistance now. Not much resistance now. And a lot of resistance now. Bahamas, get to the front line now. Come on, the army needs you. The dragons are gonna get taken out, the front line's gonna collapse. Come on, Bahamas! And Burma's tanker hit from Bahamas, but I mean, that's something. And Llamas are dead. Bahamut is being very effective here. Look, Morph is dead, and usually he would hit like a Shibailen or something, and not what you're actually trying to hit. We did it, boys. We captured Canada. And by we, I mean I. My army gets no credit, only me. And Greenland is being invaded despite having a total of like 3 people. Although maybe more people live there in the future, I don't know. Maybe it's like really warm and nice, except the background seems to contradict that. Teacher Bear is here, not much of a problem, only Ursa Major is a problem for bears anyway. Dark Doge. And the Dark Doge squad is here. And Ursa Major is here. Now we need to panic. Never fear, Bahamut is here. And he's missing his shots as usual. Go, Bahamut. Yeah, Bahamut. Okay, there are 2 Ursa Majors now. I think we might need to panic. Phew, we don't need to panic anymore. First Ursa Major is down. Panic! And the teacher bears are starting to stack now. But Bahamut 2 is here, and he's very epic. And... oh, come on, that was a knockback. Come on, you could have waited to fire your shot, Dragon Cat, but you didn't wait, and now we're gonna die because Bahamut missed his shot because of you. And now Bahamut is dead, and we're gonna lose because the selfish greed of one Dragon Cat who wanted to be a hero and then stopped the actual useful unit from being useful. Why are there more teacher bears? Finally, Ursa Major is down. That was an incredibly long fight to conquer one base that had in a country that has like 5 people, maybe 4, or maybe like 44,000. I don't know. Time to invade New York. Now, New York. New York. And go. Okay, well, they're making small amounts of progress. And Bahamut. And Bahamut's going to hit like the one with the shortest range and nothing else. He hit nothing at all. Oh wait, Bahamut, we can't let you take damage to normal things to peons. That would be very annoying. Okay, well, army is going in and Bahamut is missing. As usual. Wait a minute. That's the stage with big alien pig. And we don't have any wave blockers whatsoever. This is not very good at all. Now, battle plan. Bahamut, go! Bahamut is too slow to do anything. Hopefully, we can rely only on knights and dragons. Well, I'm not sure if we can rely on the knights. But what else do we rely on? Dragons only? Is this a dragon only moment? Actually, there's other somewhat strong units. This looks like a probable failure, though. It's quite probable indeed. Very probable. How do we get through this? That's 1 damage knockback. And he took out like 3 peons. Wait a minute. Pause. That's a pretty big spider. What? That's like a very big spider, even though I live in Australia. Hold on, I need to grab like an Nerf gun or something. I'm leaving this in the video. I need to shoot a spider with a toy gun. It's so epic. Where does it go? And the spider's gone somewhere. And we're gonna continue playing this game. I do not see the spider anywhere. If I do, then I'll shoot it with a Nerf gun. Anyway. Yeah, we're actually building up money. The base destruction is so slow. Which means that we might actually be able to, like, fight long enough. Wait a minute, is this a Titan Cat moment? Oh yeah, it probably is a Titan Cat moment. He's taking the hits like really well. Why haven't I used him before? Actually he has one knockback. He wasn't tanking them, he was just refusing to show signs of weakness. Any ideas on anything to do? Nope, can't can't hear what you're saying because it's not cool or anything. It's just watching a YouTube video. But yes, we've pushed it away from the base, not for long. Can the wall cat stand up to the attacks? Oh, he can. Is this a wall cat moment? He can stand up to them for 2 hits. We use the power of Warm Cat. No, other things are gonna come. Yeah, Warm Cat's power. And we get Bahamut back, even though we did nothing in the first place, except miss and have too long of a force swing. In this battle, at least. And suddenly the 53 assassin bears come out of the base. Oh, 20 minutes and 28 seconds so far. Looks like it's gonna be a long episode of not much. I love it when there's a long amount of time when not much happens in a video that's supposed to be entertaining. People are definitely going to watch this. Wow, Superior, yes. Time to invade NASA for whatever reason. Shouldn't this just be included in America? There's going blacks coming. I haven't had enough time to repair. Quick, get more stuff. The base is being obliterated by them. We're being hit again. No, and Iron Phase is here, and the base is being hit. Sadness. On the right side, the Goy Blacks were killed. And there's another Goy Black. Go, Bahamut. And you missed, Bahamut. We killed Iron Phase though after like 1 minute and 28 seconds and like 850 milliseconds or something. And NASA is now destroyed. And it has even less health than our base now. Ooh, superior. Time to go to the Bermuda Triangle, a place where it's like regular danger levels. And Croco manages to get a few hits in before dying. Bahamut is here. Is he useful? We may never know if it will be useful in a given situation. He might miss everything or he might hit everything. And he hits everything. And he hits a moderate number of enemies. And he hits everything. And he hits everything, and he's been very effective this round. Oh boy, Bermuda has been captured. Wow. It's not a very significant place. Oh boy, it's Brazil. Metal Hippo. Deploy the rapid hitters. Go, 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 go. Metal Hippo got destroyed right there. And Llama's here, and now the last hitters are going to die. Wait a minute, they actually managed to kill the Metal Hippo. Is this a Bahamut moment? This isn't a Bahamut moment. Is this a Bahamut moment? Oh, it is a Bahamut moment. An MLG Bahamut moment. And we killed Brazil. And next is Floating Continent. Well, that's the video, human people, I think. Anyway, next video will probably be failing to beat the Floating Continent. They've beaten quite a few stages here. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.